Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Karinarabinfit and I am a terrible cook. I only make things that are really simple and obviously healthy and things that I like to eat. And so today I'm going to show you how I make the best mashed potatoes. No, I don't eat potatoes. I eat cauliflower. So I'm going to make cauliflower mashed potatoes. And if you love this recipe, let me know if you try it out, okay? Strainer. Okay, here we go, So first, drain the pot. We just need cream cheese, butter. What I like to do is dry the cauliflower a tiny bit. We're gonna need a Vitamix because I don't have I do have a chopper. Oh, that's okay. I do have a chopper. Chopper! Where's my chopper? This is Tupperware chopper. I have my chopper. Okay. This was like 40 bucks. It was super, super cheap. Okay, so cauliflower. Oh, it's hot. Hot! And you dry. I'll need more paper towel. Are you still with me? Don't you love playing with these things? Oh. Okay, and then maybe I might sing. No. Okay, dry, dry, dry. Dry, dry, dry. Ooh, see? I need more paper towel. I wasn't ready. Ooh, this is so strong opening up. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, this is done. Dry, 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 dry. Dry, dry, dry. I gotta go pick up my kids and volunteer again today. Dry, 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 dry. Okay. This is pretty good. Then I'm gonna, what is this? Okay. Things that takes a couple of minutes other than, all right, so it took a little while to boil, but while it boiled, I cleaned up the rest of the house. So, okay. Now that I got that, I'm gonna put this on top. This on top. This little thing goes, and look at that. We could do even kickbacks. And this works your arms. Look at that. Right? See, there's always time to put in pockets of time just to move. Okay. So it did mix. Oh, perfect. There's that. There's my mashed potato cauliflower. Okay. Now, it's very important, extremely important, you don't use the entire tub because this is for 2 tablespoons, 50 calories, and it's 4 grams of fat, okay? And the butter is for a tablespoon, 90 calories, and 10 grams of fat. So, you want to make sure you don't use the whole tub, and you want to make sure you use measuring utensils. So I like this little thing, because it has all of them. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons. By the way, this is 1 cauliflower, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 1 tablespoon. Okay, well, I can't use this anymore. So I'll use a teaspoon. So I'll use even less. Teaspoon. I'll do 2 teaspoons. Okay, there's that. And then just gonna mash it. Mash it. Okay, and I'm gonna add some garlic. Garlic. Who doesn't like garlic? Everybody likes garlic. So use some garlic. You obviously don't want to put too much in case it's too much for you. I prefer garlic. I will not put salt in here because there's already salt in the cream cheese and there's already salt in the butter. So I will not put in additional salt because then it becomes way too much sodium. And then I mash it, see? That's it. This is my famous cauliflower mashed potato. Ooh. And my kids love it too. Let's try it. You want to taste? So, if you guys like this recipe and you want me to do a little bit more of cooking videos, since I rarely do that, do me a favor, leave a comment below and let me know what foods you like or what you would like to see. And I will do my best and make it as simple as possible. This probably took, what, 5 minutes?